Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about the most common thing that is called digestion. These days it's a very common thing, like various kind of digestive aids are available in the market. Whenever we go to some restaurant, we have food, we enjoy sitting in a restaurant, but once we come back we feel okay, stomach is not good, and then we take digestive aid. These digestive aids also includes pills for digestion and pills for gas and constipation. But it is just that most of us are not aware of the bad combinations of food. We are ordering meat dishes in the restaurants. Along with that, we are ordering milkshake, which is totally no combination according to Ayurveda. But if we are simply aware of this thing, like we should not order any milk thing, any milk product along with any meat dish, then we will not have gas problem. Or if we are vegetarian, what we are doing, we are going to restaurants, we are eating ketchup, sauce, any kind of chili sauce or sauce that is sour in taste, and at the same time we are ordering coffee with milk or some milkshake or some hot chocolate with a lot of milk. Now again, this sour thing along with the combination of milk is complete no according to Ayurveda. So my point of saying things to you is this: it is not always the food of restaurant is bad or the food of wedding is bad. It is just we don't know how to do the combinations of the food. And if we are aware of combinations, and if you are not ordering any milk drink along with any sour thing, that means you can enjoy any dish that contains sour taste and you will not have bad stomach. That means you need not to take any medicine for bloating or stomach pain. Definitely if food is bad, stomach pain will happen if it is not properly cooked. But even the good restaurants or good weddings or good houses where the food is cooked in a very best way, still the food which is cooked in the best way with best ingredients, it causes bloating to you. Why? Because there is bad combination of foods. And we can avoid it if we know what are the foods which are bad if we eat them together. In Ayurveda, a lot of importance has been given to the digestive fire of a person, because in Ayurveda a lot of importance has been given for the individuality of a person. According to Ayurveda, every person in this whole universe is unique. It is a unique combination of its genes, of the situations which he faces, of the tendencies with which he is born with, the various kind of good traits, various kind of bad traits, which is not common for all human beings. So there cannot be a general protocol for everyone that you eat this raw and your body will work well, you eat cooked food and your body will work well. So it's not like that. It depends on person to person, and digestive fire especially. Different kind of people need different kind of food. For example, if somebody is laborer, he needs 3 times of food. Why? Because he is doing a lot of hard work whole day, and he need that kind of food which provides a lot of muscle power. So you see, it's a very simple example which I have given to you. Like, food varies from person to person. It is not, it cannot be counted on calorie basis. Like this much calories, like these days a lot of this fashion is there, you need this much calories, a human being need this much calories per day, this much calories need to be exhausted, this much calories need to be stored. So Ayurveda don't go with this approach, because according to Ayurveda every person's needs are different, every person's capability to digest food is different, and situation. Of course, if somebody is from a very humble background, like he can't afford a lot of vegetables or fruits, so and we are keep suggesting him, okay, you eat this very costly, if I tell them very costly nuts or anything which is very nutritious and it is very difficult for him to afford, definitely he will not be able to afford, and ultimately he will not switch to healthy lifestyle, because he thinks, okay, healthy lifestyle is only for rich people, not for us. So this is one way of approaching towards a patient or person. Another way of approaching is, for example, somebody is from very rich background and he can afford all the good things which are available in the whole world, and he is choosing all the high nutritious, high calorie values, high everything, like, which is high on everything. So he is taking everything good. But at the same time, if a person don't pay attention what kind of digestive fire he has and how much food he need to eat, how much time he is spending on eating food, and what is his lifestyle, and what is his nature of work. For example, if he is doing not too much physical work, his work is mostly sitting, then 2 times meal is enough for him. But his because he has whole his day he is just sitting, he is not doing anything else, it is just ordering little bit here there, and he is not paying any mental attention to somewhere, and he is just easy going, very easy life. So that means you are not spending your calories too much, you don't need so much energy. So for you, different kind of food is recommended according to Ayurveda. You cannot go with the same food patterns as a person who is working, who is hard working. If he is going with those patterns. And many times patients comes to me and they complain like, we have everything, we are eating the best food, we are eating organic, we are eating the best quality food, but still we are not able to digest our food, and we have digestion problems, we don't feel hungry, we don't feel energetic. So these kind of problems comes. It is not because you are eating very well, this is the reason for having these kind of problems. It is just we are losing the fundamental, like every person need different kind of food according to their work, according to their genes, according to their body type. What is that's why in Ayurveda a lot of importance has been given to Prakriti, that is the natural composition of the body, that is the natural composition of the body with which you are born with, and you should take diets according to that to bring your Prakriti and not land into diseases, that is called Vikriti according to Ayurveda. Because if you see a little bit details in Ayurveda, the principles of Ayurveda work that every food has different kind of taste, it has different kind of composition, that is, and various kind and different kind of potency, that is called hot potency, cold potency, vipaka, like post digestive effect. How is its post digestive effect, whether easy to digest or difficult to digest. So that is post digestive effect. And prabhav. Prabhav means unexplained effect, like till now there is no explanation why this specific substance is acting like this, but this is how the things are. So in Ayurveda, so on that basis it becomes suitable for specific person. Because when we are taking different potency foods or different kind of post effective digestive effect of food, so when its post digestive effect is contradictory to each other, means virudhaha, that is no proper combination of food. If we are taking food in this sense, definitely it will not be good for our digestive fire, because certain foods when they combine together, they lower down the activity of our enzymes. And even these days a lot of research papers are there on this topic, like how various combination of foods can lower down your enzymes activity, which are responsible for your digestion, or in Ayurveda terminology, how it can lower down your digestive fire, that is called mandagni, and that is the reason for various kind of toxins in your system, and it will invite various kind of chronic ailments to your system. So that's why in Ayurveda a lot of importance has been given how you eat, what you eat, how to choose ingredients, how to cook, and what are the various combinations that we need to use. So regarding combinations, if you want to know what are the wrong combinations of food, there is a video link below. You can figure out what are the wrong combination of foods. I have tried to mention on gross level what are the biggest wrong combinations of the food, and you can keep these wrong combination of foods in your mind, and if you are going to some restaurant, in home or anywhere, if you are cooking for your family, don't combine these combinations because it will weaken your digestive fire and make your health bad. In addition to that, if you want to know what is your body type, that is Prakriti, there is a link below. You can click on this link and you can know your body type. If you have any question regarding this, you please leave your question in a comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video. I hope you will like it. And if you are watching me for the first time, there is a subscription button, there is a bell icon. You can click the subscription button, you can hit the bell icon, and you can stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. So that's all for today. I hope you will like this video, and with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. At the same time, if you like my video, you can share with your friends and family so that you can also be a part in our mission to spread health and well-being to all. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Stay healthy, stay blessed.